Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your server version and resource pack format match. Mismatches cause texture failures. Next, you either upload pack, zip to the server root or to a reliable host and generate its SHA-1 hash so clients can verify integrity. Once done, open server, properties, and set resource back to the URL or file name and toggle resource back required as needed. Make sure to keep a backup of original resource files in case you need to revert quickly. You now fix permissions so the server can serve the pack. chmod 644 for files and 755 for directories prevents access errors. Then configure any proxy or plugin, bungee cord, or velocity requires forwarding the resource back header so the URL and hash reach clients. Once configured, join with an operator account to force download and observe console logs for transfer progress. If the pack doesn't apply, the logs reveal whether the issue is hash mismatch, permission denied, or proxy blocking the header. To finish, announce the new pack and expected client behavior so players know to accept the download. Clear communication reduces confusion. If something goes wrong, first compare the SHA-1 hash clients received to your generated hash, then verify the host serves via HTTPS with correct CORS headers. Proxies can strip required headers. Finally, keep incremental versions and document format changes so future updates are smoother, and make sure to roll back quickly if a widespread issue appears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.